Exciting times ahead at Opulenta.ai. Hey there, wonderful folks. Let's dive into a topic that's setting the stage for incredible changes and shaping a whole new future, getting organizations ready to ride the wave of generative AI. In this era of mind-blowing progress, artificial intelligence has gone way beyond just a buzzword. It's now the driving engine of transformative shifts. And guess what's leading the pack? Generative AI. This game-changing tech is all about redefining how we create content, solve intricate problems, and interact with data. But, hey, tapping into this magic requires some careful planning, smart strategies, and a hearty appetite for sailing uncharted waters of innovation. You've probably been hearing a lot about the awesome power of ChatGPT and generative AI lately. We're all pretty excited to see what this tech can do, right? But hold on a sec. Insights from Baker McKenzie's 2022 North America AI survey tell us an interesting story. It seems like many business leaders might not be fully tuned into all the possibilities and risks that come with AI. Would you believe it? Only about 4% of top-level decision makers saw big risks tied to using AI. And, well, less than half had AI experts on their boards. Here's the thing, it's a bit of a wake-up call. Some organizations might not be as ready as they think for the world of AI. There's a gap in understanding, and the lack of expertise from key players might mean we're missing out on the full potential of AI. Yikes! We don't want that, do we? Let's make sure we're not left behind as AI continues to rock the boat. Setting clear goals. So, here's the deal, before we set sail, we need to know where we're going. Just like any exciting adventure, getting generative AI into an organization's groove means we gotta have a crystal clear goal. Whether we're just about automating content creation for more engagement, improving customer experiences, or crunching data like a pro for better decisions, step one is knowing exactly what we're aiming for. Educating the dream team. But hey, we're not on this journey alone. Our next big step is making sure our decision makers and big players understand all the ins and outs of generative AI. By giving them the lowdown on this tech's transformational power, we're making sure they're well equipped to make smart choices. And that's how we make sure we've got everything we need to steer our innovation ship towards success. So, there you have it, a warm welcome to Opulenta.ai's exciting journey into the world of generative AI. Stick around for more insights and tips as we navigate this amazing new frontier together. #Opulenta AI #generative AI #innovation journey. Let's keep exploring. Data adventure time. Ahoy, fellow adventurers! As we sail further into the world of generative AI, we're about to dive into a treasure trove of wisdom, data collection and preparation. Just like a ship needs the right currents, generative AI thrives on top-notch training data. Imagine it as the heart of our journey. Collecting and prepping data that matches our goals is like charting a course for success. The quality and variety of this data are like the winds that'll carry our generative AI model to greatness. Finding the perfect model. With our sails full and data ready, it's time to choose the best model for our voyage. There's a whole sea of options out there, each with its own strengths. Picking the right one is like navigating uncharted waters. We need a model that fits like a glove, whether we're after big-scale power, peak performance, or smooth compatibility. This choice can make our journey truly extraordinary. Building strong foundations. But, hey, even the sturdiest ship needs a solid hull. Our voyage into generative AI demands tough technical stuff, the kind that can weather the storm of computational needs. Think of strong hardware, solid storage, and snappy networking. It's the bedrock of our innovation, folks. Safeguarding our treasures. As we sail, we're guarding precious cargo, data. Data privacy and security are our trusty anchors. They keep the treasures, the data we train with and the content we create, safe and sound. We're all about ethics and responsibility here, no shortcuts. A crew like no other. At the heart of our journey, we're forming an unbeatable team. Think AI wizards, data geniuses, tech whizzes, experts in the field, legal eagles, and the moral compasses, all coming together like a true dream team. This teamwork is our secret sauce. With all hands on deck, we're making sure our generative AI journey is as smooth as a calm sea. So, fellow explorers, there you have it, our adventure in generative AI continues. Stay tuned for more exciting insights as we chart this incredible course together. #generative AI adventure #smooth sailing ahead #innovation explorers. Navigating with integrity, ethical insights. Ahoy, my amazing crew! As we sail these uncharted waters of generative AI, we find ourselves facing the waves of ethics, an essential aspect of our journey. Generative AI, while a true revolution, can sometimes churn out content that's not quite shipshape. It might have biases, be inappropriate, or even harmful. To keep our course true, we've set up crystal clear guidelines and processes to review and filter the content our AI creates. Safety and integrity are our guiding stars. Preparing our champions. Getting our crew ready for this transformative voyage is a top priority. The incredible potential of generative AI shines when our team knows how to navigate it. We're talking workshops, courses, and even bringing aboard specialized talents, all to empower our crew with the right skills. Prototyping and testing. Our voyage isn't without a few test waters. Before we fully set sail with generative AI, we take the time for prototyping and testing. These phases help us spot potential obstacles and refine our AI's performance, making our journey even smoother. Embracing change. A new voyage often means change, right? Generative AI might shift how things flow in our organization. With smart change management practices, we're guiding our crew through these transitions, making sure our journey is steady and seamless. Keeping an eye out. Our voyage is ongoing, and so is our watchfulness. After launch, we're constantly monitoring our generative AI, making sure it's sharp and effective. Regular updates are like gusts of wind in our sails, adapting us to new data and needs. Looping in feedback. Collaboration is key, friends. We're setting up feedback loops, gathering insights from users and stakeholders. Their input helps us fine-tune our generative AI, making sure we're always on the right track and meeting everyone's expectations. Scaling gradually. Our journey is grand, and we're starting small to be smart. By testing the waters with smaller projects, we're learning and adapting before we set sail for bigger things. This methodical approach lets us grow confidently. Embracing the unknown. Lastly, in a sea of ever-changing tech, adaptability is our best mate. Our voyage isn't ending, it's just evolving. By staying updated on the latest developments, we're keeping ourselves at the forefront of innovation. In closing, fellow trailblazers, our adventure into generative AI is a tale of promise and challenges. With these guiding principles, we're ready to embrace the power of generative AI while staying true to ethics and innovation. Together, we're bravely navigating this unknown realm, creating a future that knows no bounds, only boundless possibilities. With deep gratitude and excitement for the journey ahead, thank you. #generative AI journey #navigating ethics #infinite possibilities.